Mo,
Yeah,
why am I blindfolded?
because we're going to do a sound challenge.
A sound challenge?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds cool. How does that work?
Well, Mo has 10 items, and Mo is going to make a sound with each one of them, and you have to guess what the item is from the sound.
Oh, just from the sound.
Just from the sound.
Sounds tricky.
Sounds tricky. Okay. Oh, and if you want to play along at home, just close your eyes when Mo grabs a new item.
Oh, yeah, great idea.
Yeah. Are you ready to play?
I'm ready.
Okay, here comes the first one. Can you guess the sound?
Okay, I think I know what that one is.
What is it?
You're ripping paper.
Correct! 1 point. Are you ready for the next one?
Sure am.
Okay. Can you guess the sound?
Can I hear that again?
No.
Is it a rubber band?
Yeah! It is a rubber band.
Yes.
You're doing great.
Awesome.
2 points. You're doing very well.
Thank you.
Okay. Ready for the next one?
Yes.
Can you guess the sound?
A bell.
What kind of bell?
Like at a receptionist desk. Ding.
Yeah, a desk bell. That's 3 points.
3 points.
You're doing so well.
Yes, thank
How
you.
are you doing at home? Hope you're doing well too. Okay, next item.
Okay.
Can you guess the sound?
It's a funny sound.
It's a funny
Is it
sound. Oh,
a balloon?
yeah. That bit at the end kind of gave it away. Yeah. Balloon got away from Mo.
Is that 4 points?
That's 4 points.
Yes.
Doing so well. Next item. What is the sound?
Oh, sticky tape.
Yeah. Good job. 5 points.
5 points.
You were amazing at this.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Such good ears.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next item. How about this one?
Was that it? Oh, I do know what it is. It's a mouse. Or a
Yeah.
computer.
Yeah. You're so good at this game. Okay, 6 from 6. Good job. Next item. How about this one?
A stapler?
Yeah. Whoa, 7 from 7.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, hope you're doing as well too. Okay, next item. What is this sound?
Ooh, are you ripping material?
Is that your answer?
Yes.
No, it's Velcro.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of the same.
I can't get it off most fingers. Oh, there it is. Okay, next item.
Oh, is it some stones?
No.
Oh,
Well, we'll give you one more try.
beans?
No. Marbles. Yeah, no point.
Dang, I should have got that.
Yeah, next item. Okay. What is this sound?
Oh, yeah, I like that sound. It's bubble wrap.
Yeah.
That's fun.
8 points. You only got 2 wrong.
Ah,
And guess what?
what?
Mo has a special bonus item
Oh,
because you did so well.
okay.
Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. What is this sound?
Okay. Oh my goodness. That scared me.
What is the sound?
Wow. I've got 2 guesses. Can I have 2 guesses?
You can have one.
Are you going?
No. Take off your blindfold. It's a whoopee cushion.
Oh, gosh, a whoopee cushion.
8 out of 10 points.
Oh, my goodness. Oh,
That's a very good effort.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, Mo hopes you did well too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, would you like a whoopee cushion?
Sure. I'll tuck that away for later.
Whoopee.